Welcome back to Dad Deals for this week's edition of the biggest deals of the week, where I share with you the best deals for dads that I find across the internet. As usual, all links to the items are posted below and sorted out by store. Full disclosure, some of the links below are affiliate links, and I do earn a small commission if you decide to click on them and make a purchase. So if you'd like to support the channel at no cost to you, please consider using my links. All right, sit back, relax, and let's check out the best online deals for the week of May 13th, 2024. So first up, this week Harbor Freight is having a 10 days of deals sale, where each day they're going to have a pretty big discount on a category of an item. And today that deal is 50% off all of their Apache cases. If you followed my channel, you watch my videos a lot, you know that I'm a huge fan of these Apache cases. I think they're some of the best value cases out there. They come in all sorts of sizes and they're really a great deal, and 50% off is really a great discount. So you could choose from all the cases here. So you get that 1800 small case for really around $7, $6.50. This weatherproof clear case can be had for just $7. This is a great one to carry any cables or any little accessories. It's completely waterproof, has a clear top so you can see exactly what's in it. And I think previously the lowest I've seen this go is around $8 or $9. So you're getting an extra dollar off there. You also have your roller case and your rifle case. And then you also have these 3800 and 4800. This is the large and extra large cases. I've used these for everything from carrying drones and photography gear to even using one for an Oculus headset. They have customizable foam that you can pull apart to make sure everything is really secured. And they come in some great colors. So you can get that 4800 extra large case for just $30. That's a great price. And then the 3800 for $40, you can get it all the way down to $20. And that is an amazing deal as well. This deal is in-store only, and it's also today, Monday, May 13th only as well. So make sure you get to your store and pick up one of these cases. Also, you can see the deal of the day preview for tomorrow. May 14th is going to be the 1.5 ton low profile racing jack for $68, $32 off the normal price. A deal from last week that is still available over at Walmart is this Hart multi-directional 3-head 7,000 lumen ultra bright tripod light. This thing is awesome. I picked it up. I love this thing. The build quality is really surprisingly good. And this is on clearance right now for, again, $44.52. So if you need one of these lights, pick this up. I don't think you'll ever get anything similar to this any cheaper. Whenever I mention Hart tools, I like to mention that's the same family brand as Milwaukee and Ryobi and Rigid. So it really is a great family of tool brands. So this is just an excellent deal. If you're going to get something comparable in the Milwaukee line, like their rocket lights, anything like that, you're going to be spending so much more money. And if you're going to plug it into the wall anyway, get this. Also, speaking of Ryobi, Ryobi Days is just around the corner. That is scheduled to start on Monday, May 20th. So that's next Monday. So if you have any big Ryobi purchases or you've been looking at a specific tool, hold off for now and make sure you check back on that Monday, May 20th. They often have a lot of battery combo packs where you get a free tool or get a free battery. So check out that Monday, May 20th, and I'll make sure to mention it on the Deals of the Week video then. There are some early deals that have started to come out on that Ryobi Days, and I suspect that this is one of them. Here you're getting the HP 18-volt brushless 1/4-inch right angle grinder kit, and you're getting 2 4 amp hour batteries, 1 2 amp hour battery, and a charger, all for just $200. So these are the type of deals that you're going to see during this Ryobi Days coming up. You'll get a tool and you're going to throw in extra batteries. So if you need to replenish your batteries, need some extra ones, or looking to get into the Ryobi system, that's going to be the time to do it. Here's also a nice light kit from Ryobi. This is a 3-piece set. You're getting the panel light, the spotlight, and the flexible clamp light. These are tool only. They don't come with the batteries, but this is just $100. This is a deep enough discount to warrant getting now and not waiting for the Ryobi Days. I don't think it's going to get any better than this. And then also from Home Depot, they have this stainless steel outdoor kitchen griddle spatula for just $5. That's over half the normal price. These are great to have for flipping pancakes or flipping burgers, anything on the griddle. And $5 is a great price. Also at Home Depot, they have their Husky branded 6-gallon stainless steel wet dry vac. That comes with the filter hoses and accessories that you see here, including that nice dust bag. This is on sale for $40, almost half off, and a nice deal if you need a new shop vac. On the Rigid side of things, they have this really awesome subcompact right angle drill kit that comes with 2 4 amp hour batteries and a charger, all for $170. These are great for getting into tight spaces. They can give you a lot of power at that nice right angle. And this is coming with those 2 nice batteries and charger. Good price. With the warmer weather here, it's also disc golf season, and you can get some really nice deals over at Amazon on Discraft discs. I've heard that you are not supposed to call them frisbees, you are supposed to call them discs. I am by no means a professional disc golf player, but I do play occasionally, and this looks like a great deal on some discs. This is the driver one for just $10. Also a repeat deal from last week, still on sale, but a great price, is this Craftsman 104-piece standard mechanics tool set with this awesome hard toolbox for just $100. This really is a throwback set, and everything comes nice and organized, even in a nice drawer liner pad. So check out this set over at Lowe's for $100. Also over at Lowe's, they have this massive DeWalt set. This is a 7-tool combo kit for $600, $250 off the normal price. You're getting all the tools you see here: multi-tools, drill drivers, circular saw, sanders, angle grinders, reciprocating saw, plus 2 batteries, a charger, and an awesome carrying case. So a great deal if you're looking for that starter set or to build your collection of DeWalt tools. With spring pruning season here, also check out these loppers from Fiskars. These have the nice extendable reach handles, so you can reach up and grab any of those limbs that might be just out of reach. But this is almost half off at just $18. And also at Amazon, they have this nice camping shovel for just $20. It has a nice wooden handle on it. It's a great one to keep in the truck, and $20 is a nice price. Amazon also has this nice combo kit from DeWalt with the multi-tool. This is the XR version, so it's a really nice tool. This is $100. You're getting the tool, the battery, the charger, and a bag, and a couple blades. That is a great price for this. You can pick up this iFixit electronics repair kit. This is one of the best ones on the market. This is great for working on any computers or any small electronics that you might have. If you're someone that likes to work on those electronics, I'm sure you're familiar with the brand and the website iFixit. They really have great tutorials and guides for taking apart a bunch of stuff. Here you can get their official kit that's on sale for just $60. You can get it on Amazon or you can get it at Walmart. Harbor Freight does make a knockoff version of this that I think sells for around $40, but it is always nice to support the iFixit brand and site. Also over at Walmart, they have this Blackstone Duo propane griddle and charcoal grill. So just a great little tailgating grill for $180. This is going to give you the best of both worlds, and it's rare to see Blackstone actually sell a charcoal version of a grill. Also, another repeat deal from last week, still on sale, is this Gorilla dump cart for $170. Just such a great deal. Has nice pneumatic tires. Can really help you if you're spreading any mulch around your yard. These are so great. And then Amazon actually has this steel mesh version for $90, 36% off the normal price. This has the removable sides, but it does not have that dumping action. Home Depot also has a bunch of Milwaukee buy a tool, get a free item deals going on. And here we're going to start out with the pack out large wall plates, where if you buy that large wall plate for $40, you can pick 2 hooks that will go with it for free. These are normally $20, so they're not cheap. So you're basically getting a $40 value with the $40 purchase. Also, speaking of pack out, here is the Milwaukee Shockwave impact rated bit set that comes with that pack out compatible case. Love to see the clear top, all for just $40. Here from Milwaukee, we have the M12 Fuel version of the wet dry vacuum. Also comes with the air tip pivoting extension wand, all for $130, $20 off the normal price, but you're also going to get a free M12 battery with that as well. So a great kit, especially with that free battery. That is an $80 value just for the battery itself, and this is a great little wet dry vac. Here's another nice Milwaukee buy a tool, get a tool free. This is on their M18 compact inverter that's going to give you that AC outlet port as well as some USB ports. And you're going to get that for free when you buy one of these lights that you see here. So either the pack out light for $200 or the Rover light for $150, you're going to get this inverter for free. If you need to upgrade your lawn and garden equipment, here's the Milwaukee M18 Fuel version string trimmer kit with the 8 amp hour battery and charger. And this is that multi-head system, so you can use it as the string trimmer, but it's also going to come with the pole saw attachment and brush cutter attachment. You're going to get this all for $390, about 37% off the normal price. So just a nice system here. It's expandable. You can pair it up with a bunch of those heads like edgers and hedge trimmers. And this is a nice little starter kit in that system. Also a good deal on some car jack stands is this Husky kit, $19. You get both of them. These are 2-ton rated. So if you don't trust those Harbor Freight jack stands, these are a good alternative. And then one more deal at Home Depot is the very popular 15 amp DeWalt compact job site table saw. This comes with the stand, which is always nice to see. This is on sale right now for $330 for both. Back to Amazon for a few more deals. We have this nice 5-pack of Fruit of the Loom pocket t-shirts. So if you need to restock your shirts, check out this deal. there's a $4.29 coupon. So you get this for around $17, and that is over at Amazon. Amazon also has their Amazon Basic 16-piece steel punch and chisel set that comes with the storage pouch that is on sale for just $12.91. And then a dog deal here is the Chuck It flying disc dog toy that is on deep discount for just $4.44. So take care of the dog in your life and check out this disc, frisbee, whatever you want to call it. And then rounding out the deals, we have this Pebble Bullet Ice Maker. These are great to always have around for parties and get-togethers. But this is on sale for $65, but I actually have an extra discount code that will knock it down to just $50. So check the description below for that discount code. That's it. Those are all the deals this week. Let me know if you see any other ones out there. As always, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.